Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be making my special smoothie, orange banana smoothie. It's so easy to make. You can do this anytime if you have these ingredients that I'm going to be telling you more about in today's video. So today I am going to be using the orange. I decided to chop these orange offline to peel and chop, and then I'm gonna be using my ice cubes, and then I am going to be using bananas. This is two full bananas, and this is two big large oranges, and then I'm gonna be using in my half a spoon of plain yogurt. Then I am going to be using in my honey. So I am going to be adding in my ingredients into the blender right here. Then I'm gonna be adding in my orange. Then I'm gonna go in with my bananas, yummy bananas. Then I'm going to go in with my plain yogurt. Healthy ingredients, guys. Then I'm gonna go in with my 2 full spoons of honey. This is honey. Let me just finish that. Take out all the honey here. Now it's time for blending time. I'm going to cover in my lid here. Then I am going to, you can add water. Now I'm going to start blending. Now I am going to open, then I am going to serve in my smoothie. Guys, you can decide if you want a thick smoothie, or if you don't want a thick smoothie, you have to make sure that you make water less if you want to add less. Now this is my smoothie. This smoothie is good enough to serve 4 people. Here's my final smoothie. It's so yummy. Look at how it looks beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.